Hi, I'm Anita Lamar, owner of Lamar Law Office, home of Atlanta Legal Care, and today we are going to discuss 3 important facts related to motorcycle collisions. Fact number 1, motorcycle riders are 28 times more likely to suffer a fatality when involved in a collision than a passenger or a regular automobile. Fact number 2, 8,000 deaths were attributed to injuries suffered as the result of a motorcycle collision. And fact number 3, over 22,000 injuries were attributed to collisions involving a motorcycle rider. It's important that we look out for our fellow citizens on motorcycles because the injuries that they sustain can be a lot more serious. For more information and tools and tips, please visit us at www.atlantalegalcare.com.
Lamar Law Office, LLC. More than legal service, we care. Learn more at www.atlantalegalcare.com. If you need legal representation, call the Lamar Law Office at 877-CARE-404.